Welcome back. Today we are learning a window functions, one of the most powerful features in SQL. Rank assigns a ranking based on salary. The highest salary gets rank 1. If two employees had the same salary, they receive the same rank. Finding out department-wise salary ranking. Partition by creates a separate group. Instead of ranking all employees together, SQL ranks employees within each department. Each department starts ranking from 1. Running total of salaries. A running total keeps adding value step by step. Here we order employees by employee ID. SQL adds each salary to the previous total, giving us the cumulative sum. Great job. You now know ranking, partitioning and running totals. In the next video, we will solve advanced data analyst interview questions.